They'll get you, Chris. Don't stay back.
Come on.
Caitlin, what's wrong?
Neva, look at little goat over here. Over there. No. That long, very long time. He licked me. He licked my pants. He likes me. Ow. Sorry. String of a towel.
You're licking this, aren't you? Back there.
Look at all these black and white towels.
Yeah. Give him food. Give him food.
What's gonna happen, Caitlin? You're gonna get lit to slobbery.
See, these are all the infants. And those are like the toddlers back there. And their parents usually roam out there. But I think they must be out for milking because all the old ones are...